morning children. I welcome you all again on my YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you chapter 5 from grammar book named articles. Okay, chapter 5 named articles. So children, first of all tell me what is an article? What is the definition of an article? See here, an article is an adjective. Okay, an article is an adjective which modifies a noun. An article is an adjective which modifies a noun, which gives us extra information about a noun. See, a, and, the. These are called articles. These are called articles. Articles are classified into two parts. See here. Articles. Okay. These are classified into two parts. First one is indefinite article. Second one is definite article. See, a, and are called indefinite article, whereas the is called definite article. Okay. Now children, what is an indefinite article? Okay. Indefinite article is used to refer non-particular noun. Okay. It is used to refer non-particular nouns. Okay. See, a and are used to refer non-particular nouns. Okay. Whereas the is used to refer particular noun. See children, indefinite articles are used to refer non-particular noun, whereas definite article is used to refer particular noun. Now children, we will talk about sound. Okay, vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay, which comes in the category of indefinite article. Now children, we will learn to use a and n. Okay, see. Use of a. Okay, use of a or a, you can say. Okay. It is used with singular noun. It is used with singular noun and before consonant sound. See children, a is used or a is used with singular noun and before consonant sound. Okay. Now use of and. Okay. N is used with singular noun and before vowel sound. It is used with singular noun and before vowel sound. Before vowel sound. Now children, we will learn about sound. Okay, vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay, so children, here we have vowel sound. Okay, now A, E, I, O, U. As you know, these are all vowels. Okay, now sound for A is A. Okay, for example, apple and agent. Okay, I have written example, apple and agent. So with apple, as the sound is vowel, so I will write here an apple. Okay, and here also agent, the sound is vowel, so here also I will write an agent. Now E, the sound for E is A. Okay, the sound for E is A. So for example, elephant or egg. So here also I will write an elephant, and here also I will write an egg. Okay, now sound for I, that is E. Okay, as here I have written intelligent and ink pot. Okay, so here an intelligent and here an ink pot. Okay, as the sound is vowel, alphabets are also vowel, so we will write N. Okay, now here we have O. So for vowel sound of O is O. So here I have written opera and here I have written orange. So here I will write an opera and here I will write an orange. Now vowel sound for U is A. So here I have written uncle and here I have written umbrella. So here I will write an uncle and here I will write an umbrella. So children, these were the sounds. Okay, with vowel sound we will use an article. Okay, children, we have to pay attention on sound. Okay, if vowel alphabets are there, it doesn't mean that you have to put N. Okay, first you have to see sound. Okay, first you have to read it, pronunciate it, then only you can use N. So children, hope you understood how to use N. Now children, see here, some nouns are there which begin with vowel letter but they have consonant sound. Okay, some nouns are there which begin with vowel letter but they have consonant sound. For example, university. For example, university. For example, union, uniform. Okay, see children, in all these three words, you. Okay, U is there. Okay, and U is what? Vowel. U is what? Vowel. But here in this word, these are sounding, U is sounding as consonant. Okay, U is sounding as consonant. So I will not write N. Okay, I will not write N before university, before union, before uniform. Simply I will write a university, a union, a uniform. Because here U is what? It is sounding like consonant. Okay, it is sounding as consonant. U is vowel but here sound is consonant. Children, I told you, you have to pay attention on sound. Okay, now children, see here. Some nouns are there which begin with consonant letter but they have vowel sound. Some nouns are there which begin with consonant letter but they have vowel sound. For example, honest. For example, honest. Now children, see here, H. H is consonant, but here sound is vowel. If you pronunciate it, then how will you pronunciate it? Honest, not honest. Okay, so it is vowel. The sound is vowel. So I will write here an honest. Okay, now second one is S-D-N. S, see here, S. S is what? Consonant. But sound is vowel. Okay, S. Okay, the sound is vowel. So here I will write N, S, D, M. Same with R. Okay, same with R. The sound is vowel, but H is consonant. As the sound is vowel, so here I will write N, R. Okay, so children, you have to pay attention on sound, whether it is vowel sound, whether it is consonant sound. Okay, hope you understood where you have to use a, where you have to use N. Okay, now we will have one exercise based on article a and N. Okay, children. So children, here we have one exercise based on article. Okay, here in this exercise we have to use a and N. Okay, we have to use only two articles, that is a and N. Okay, so see here, first one, dash, bingo, game. Now children, tell me, what should I write as bingo? B is what? Consonant, and sound is also consonant. So what should I write? A. Okay, so here it will come a bingo game. Okay, now see next one, dash, idiot. Now children, tell me, what should I write? The sound is as, the sound is vowel. So we will write here N. Okay, when the sound is vowel, we will write N. Okay, now see next one, dash, good job. Now children, what should I write? Dash, good job. So sound is what? Consonant. When the sound is consonant, we will use a. Okay, a good job. Okay, now see fourth one, dash, rotten plum. Okay, dash, rotten plum. What should I write here? R is what? Consonant. So sound is also consonant. So what I will write here? A. Okay, now see here, dash, used fork. Okay, now tell me, what should I write? As you can see, U is what? Vowel. But the sound is consonant. Okay, U is vowel, but the sound is consonant. So here I will write a. Okay, used. Okay, U. The sound is what? Consonant. Okay, now see, dash, uncle. Okay, so see here, uncle. The sound is vowel. As here it is written U. U is what? Vowel. Okay, and the sound is also vowel. So here we will write an uncle. Okay, now see seventh one, dash, apple. Okay, the sound is what? Consonant or vowel? The sound is vowel. So here I will write N. Okay, now eighth one, dash, opera. Okay, as O is what? Consonant. Okay, sorry. O is what? Vowel. So here I'll write an opera. O is vowel and sound is also vowel. Okay, now television. Now see, T is what? Consonant, and sound is also consonant. We have to pay attention on sound. So here T is consonant and sound is also consonant. So here I'll write a television. Okay, now 10th one is dash historian. Now tell me, what should I write? As H is what? Consonant. So here I will write a historian. Sound is also consonant. So here I'll write a historian. Hope you understood, children, where we have to use a and an. Okay, children? Thank you.